Okay, you guys, I'm back to show you the finishing touches on the alkaline meal that I prepared on the last video, which only took about 15 minutes to cook. This is the finishing touches of the meal. That's zucchini with quinoa, tricolor quinoa, which only took about 15 minutes to prepare both items. And this is the packaging again, organic tricolor quinoa, which is this is a 16-ounce bag. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Yep, 16-ounce bag for less than $5 at Walmart. Okay, and the quinoa only costs about $1 some a pound at Walmart. Yeah, so if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.